This is the National Weather Service office here in Gaylord, Michigan, with your morning hazardous weather briefing for Sunday, October 13th of 2013. And we want to once again remind everyone that these daily weather briefings will now only be produced once per day, each morning between 4 and 6 o'clock in the morning. However, during times of more active or severe weather, additional online briefings will be provided as needed. And as far as hazardous weather goes for the next 7 days, we're not expecting any. Doesn't mean we are without weather features out there. For instance, this was the weather map at around midnight last night when we had a cold front and a decaying band of showers associated with that cold front. They were both working eastward across northern Michigan and have now exited all of the region. In the meantime, high pressure is built back in across the heart of the country behind that cold front. And as we look at this afternoon, that front continues eastward and that high pressure does build into the western Great Lakes region. This is going to bring about quite the chilly night tonight with quiet weather into Monday. Now we see well back to the west, there is some low pressure in the Rockies, and we're going to be watching this particular area of low pressure by Tuesday night and Wednesday morning, bringing us a really good chance for some rain again. And after this particular low pressure moves off to the east, we will have colder air come back into the region, and we might be looking at some periodic lake effect rain showers for Friday and into the weekend. And that is the main title, the more rain coming for this coming work week. It's going to be colder too out there. Now the rain chance is mainly on Tuesday night and Wednesday right now. But for today, it's going to be a rather nice day out there, but obviously colder behind that cold front. And skies will be mostly cloudy for eastern upper and northwest lower. Temperatures today in the upper half of the 50s and even the lower half of the 60s in parts of northeast lower Michigan. And again, recapping those hazards, none are expected for the next 7 days. And that'll wrap up this hazardous weather briefing. Please come back for our next scheduled broadcast between 4 and 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. Thank you for listening to your National Weather Service here in Gaylord, Michigan.